Hey guys, Micah White here, and I'm willing to bet. I'm just willing to bet that you're here looking. You're here looking maybe to supplement your income. You may be here looking to replace your income, and you may be sick and tired of the people you're working for. So you started snooping around and trying to find something that you can make some money. And you've heard about Easy One Up and how great Easy One Up is. Now, what I'm going to explain to you today is the products and what you get inside the Easy One Up system. This is what makes this system, I'm going to show you what makes this system so irresistible to a lot of people. And hopefully help you make a educated decision as to maybe joining, looking at it more seriously, um, you know, just really just looking at this business as a true business. I want to help you look at it in that way by showing you what's involved, what's available inside this system. Okay. But what we're going to get to, I want to show you the levels. Okay. I want to show you the levels that you get. This right here, the elevation level, it is the entry level. It's $25. It has a $5 admin fee. Each one of these levels, they do have an admin fee that they charge, and that keeps the doors open. But again, what I wanted to show, let me go back a little bit. What I'm going to show you is the different levels and also the bonuses that you get from me when you decide to link arms with me inside Easy One Up. Okay. So the elevation is $25. And this is, it's going to be some basic stuff, that you're going to learn, why online marketing, network marketing, the pros and cons of network marketing, how to generate leads. Okay. How to create your lead capture page, how to offer bonuses, um, how to build your empire of affiliate businesses. So you got some very basic stuff here, but they are essential. And this, each and every one of these levels are jam-packed full of information that can help you in some form or fashion. But that is your elevation product package, was $25, and it has a $5 admin fee. Now, the next step is the next level is the Elevation Elite. Now, here in the Elevation Elite, you're going to get, how to effectively market with solo ads. Okay. Solo ads are very popular. I use them, and you can get some great results with solo ads, when you know how to use them. Okay. You're going to learn about YouTube, organic search, Pinterest, Facebook, intro to social media, Google Plus, lead generation, autoresponders, home base, your website or blog. So you start to get more in depth in this Elevation Elite. Again, a lot of information, to help you grow your business. Now, the Elevation Elite is going to have a $10 admin fee. Okay. Moving on to the Vertex. Vertex is the $250 level, and it's Advanced Digital Business Video Series. So all of these are going to be videos, and a lot of times videos, we can follow along with videos more so than, just reading something. So a lot of times you can look at a video and sort of get a little more out of it sometimes, especially if you're more of a visual person. Okay. Now, what you're going to get in here is, it's your winning mindset. You're going to learn about mindset, what it takes to be successful inside this, how to craft an irresistible offer. Okay. Part 1 and part 2. Okay. Lucrative list building. The money is in the list. So, you have to learn how to build an email list, a database of hungry buyers, people looking to purchase things from you. Okay. Again, email relationship mastery. Okay. Affiliate marketing survival part 1, 2, and 3. So you're getting a lot of stuff here. You're getting a lot of stuff in the Vertex, and the Vertex, it has a $25 admin fee. Okay. Now, here's the sweet spot, this Vertex Elite. Now, mind you, each one of these levels that I've gone over at the Vertex Elite, you get each one of those levels are included. It is all inclusive in this level. Okay. And any level that you join at is going to be, it's going to have all the levels beneath it included. Okay. So the Vertex Elite, this is the $500 level. This is the sweet spot, if you ask me. This is where you can start making some life-changing income relatively quick if you're positioned at the Vertex Elite. Okay. And what you're going to learn there is money counts, live business building course, drop shipping counts, zero cost traffic, 50 non-stop traffic methods. Okay. That's at the Vertex Elite. Now, at the Vertex Elite, this is where you're going to get access to the bonuses. Okay. You're going to get access to the bonuses that I'm offering. I'm going to come back to them. I'm going to go over these last two levels real quick, and we're going to come back to the Vertex Elite and to the bonuses. Okay. So the Vertex Pro, it's $1,000. And just like before, I said you get all the other levels, level packages, you get all those included. Okay, when you come in at the $1,000 level, which is the Vertex Pro. And again, what you're going to learn, video sales funnel, you're going to learn Tumblr training, traffic exchanges, streaming profit authority, membership authority, Reddit marketing, LinkedIn basics, Instagram marketing, Facebook ads made easy, Facebook remarketing, okay, blog authority. So you're getting a lot of this stuff inside these packages, okay. And here at the $2,000 level, which is the Vertex Live, you're going to get the 10K blueprint, drop shipping 101, the complete internet marketing strategy, content marketing blueprint, Periscope marketing. Okay. And also, all Vertex Elite members get 2 entry tickets to the event of their choosing. So, Easy One Up does put events on, and you will get access to 2 event tickets. And they are for one event only, as you see right here. But the Vertex Live, if you can come in at this level, this is the level to come in at. And it's a $500 admin fee on the Vertex Live, and the Vertex Pro, I didn't go over that. It is a $100 admin fee. Now, going back to the Vertex Elite and the bonuses that you're going to get. Let's go over the bonuses that you're going to get when you decide to link arms with me. Now, the bonuses that we're going to get, you're going to get a sale and tail marketing system called Funnel X ROI. This right here, now you get access to this absolutely 100% free. It is free to sign up. This is a done for you marketing system that does all the selling and the telling for you. And also, outside of joining Easy One Up is in the is inside this funnel. But the thing is, you got 4 other income streams that they promote for you inside Funnel X ROI. So if you're a newbie, beginner, this system right here, the Funnel X ROI system, it is for you because it will do the selling and the telling for you and convert prospects into buyers. Mr. David Deckel, he's the one, is the founder of Funnel ROI, and it is an absolutely wonderful, high converting funnel that you can plug right into and get going. Okay, Bing Ads Mastery training. You will get You'll get over-the-shoulder training on how to master Bing ads. Very powerful. If you got a budget for paid advertising, Bing is a very powerful, very effective, platform to market. Owned. Okay, you get access to our private team Facebook group. You're never alone in this business. The Easy One Up has their own Facebook group where you can get your answers, your questions answered. You're never alone. You get to rub shoulders and you get to interact with people just like you, whether they just coming in, whether they just making their first commission, whether they've made many commissions. You can put your questions out there and people will respond and answer your questions. So you're never left alone. All right. Your bonus number 4 is this done for you high converting funnel. Now I put this funnel together. It converts very well, and I can give you access to this funnel. You just have to take and make your tweaks, add your videos, and put your spin to it. But everything will be laid out. Now, in order to get this funnel, yes, you will also get, if you do not have ClickFunnels, you will get, I'll give you the access link to where you can get a 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels, and all you do is just download this funnel right into your back office and you're up and running. Okay. Bonus number 5, 100 Facebook groups. Groups list plus a sales script. They help you when you're talking to clients and you need to know what to say. But Facebook groups are powerful. To market inside Facebook groups is a great way to generate leads, especially if you do not have a marketing budget for paid advertising. So I give you access to 100 Facebook groups to market to. Very powerful. Now, the bonus number 6 is access to Traffic Explosion. Now, Traffic Explosion, okay, it's a guide that reveals up to 20 top media buying sources. Now, this is powerful because, if you're the type of person, you have a marketing budget and you want to just pay some money and have your stuff spread it all over the internet, sort of like a done for you. These traffic exchanges, these media buying sources, they can take you by the hand and they can, they can get visitors to your website. If you got money, they can get you visitors, and you will have access to over 20 of the top media buying sources worldwide. Very powerful. Some of them I've used and in the past and have gotten great success. So I strongly recommend really looking at this ebook, reading it very closely, because it will give you some great places to promote your business. Okay, bonus number 6, 100 places to advertise for free. Now, this again is for people that does not have a marketing budget. They give you, you will have over 100 free classified advertising platforms that you can promote your links and promote your business inside. Very effective. If you got time on your hands, more so than a lot of money, this is something great to have. 100 places to advertise for free. Can't beat it. All right. Bonus number 7, Facebook ads training course. This right here is a step-by-step video training course on how to effectively run Facebook ads. Like the title says, Facebook ads 101. You will know step by step. It will show you step by step on how to properly set up your ads and and have your ad be as effective as possible. Great information to have. Bonus number 8 is the Facebook retargeting video course. Hey, retargeting, that is where it is. If if you learn retargeting, you can make all the money that you want, because, every time you ever go on Amazon or go anywhere on the internet, and all of a sudden you got these ads that's following you around, that is retargeting. This is what this course is going to teach you. It is going to teach you how to, follow people. Basically, it's going to teach you how to just target people that has, that has shown an interest in your niche, that has come to your website. And now you can retarget those people and put your ad in front of them in many different places. But this is very powerful. But these are the bonuses that you're going to get. These are the bonuses that you're going to get when you decide to link arms with me. And I may be adding more bonuses. I don't know. But at the time of this recording, these are the bonuses: the Sell and Tell marketing system, Bing ads, private Facebook group, done for you funnel, the 100 Facebook groups list, access to this traffic explosion, 100 places to advertise for free, Facebook ads training, and Facebook retargeting video course. All right. And that's what we have. So, right beneath this video, it should be a, on this page somewhere, it should be a link to go to your next step. Just go to the next step and, hey, get started. If you need to contact me, if I need to answer any questions or any concerns that you may have, reach out to me. But again, coming back to the packages, get into whatever that makes you comfortable, wherever you're comfortable, and sometimes it pays to get uncomfortable, because like I will tell anyone, and like I said earlier, it's all about positioning yourself. The higher that you can position yourself, the better you will be. So if you can come in at least the Vertex Elite, that is a great sweet spot to come in at. Okay, if you can come in at the Vertex Pro, and mind you, people, you're getting 100% commissions. If you're at this Vertex Pro Connect and you get someone that comes in at this level, you will earn a $1,000 commission on your first and third levels and beyond, to infinity. So your second level, yes, you're going to give that up. That's going to go up, but that is powerful. That's why it's called Easy One Up, because the power of one, the power of the one pass up. I mean, when you get people passing up commissions to you, is very, very powerful. But just always remember, it's all about positioning. All right. But but this is where it is. I'm getting ready to sign off. But yes, seriously consider this as a business. This is a real business. It is changing a lot of people's lives, and it can change yours. And you can trust and believe that whatever decision you make when you come into this business, whether you're coming in at the entry level or you're coming in at the Vertex Live, the $2,000 level, you can rest assured that you're making a good decision. You're making a good decision by joining that business, and you are making a good decision by linking arms with me. But I'm getting ready to sign off. This is Micah White. Hey, look, guys, I look to see you on the inside, so we can grow together. But in the meantime and in between times, hey, peace and prosperity. Oh, click the button below. Go to the next step.